Today I am reviewing the EyeVac Pro Touchless Vacuum Automatic Dustpan. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are talking about a household chore that almost everyone dislikes, but nobody can really avoid. I am talking about sweeping. Specifically, we are diving deep into a product that promises to eliminate one of the absolute worst parts of sweeping the floor, dealing with that annoying, flimsy plastic dustpan. We are looking at the EyeVac Pro Touchless Vacuum and Automatic Dustpan. If you have never seen one of these devices before, the concept is incredibly straightforward but brilliant. It is a stationary, corded canister vacuum that acts as a permanent, automatic dustpan for your hard floors. Instead of chasing that final, frustrating line of dust back and forth across the floor with a handheld dustpan, you simply sweep your dirt, hair, or crumbs directly up to the base of this machine, and it sucks it away instantly. In this review, we are going to talk about the design, how the automatic sensors perform, the actual suction power under the hood, and who this product is genuinely built for. By the end of this script, you will know exactly whether the EyeVac Pro deserves a spot in your home, kitchen, or business. Let's start by looking at the look and feel of the EyeVac Pro. Right out of the box, one of the best things about this unit is that there is absolutely zero assembly required. You literally take it out of the packaging, find a spot for it against a wall, and plug it into a standard outlet using its generous 6-foot power cord. As you can see, the design is surprisingly sleek and modern. It comes in a professional jet black finish that looks less like a traditional clunky vacuum cleaner and more like a high-end air purifier or a modern kitchen appliance. It has a compact, upright footprint, meaning it fits comfortably against a kitchen island, in the corner of a mudroom, or right next to a styling chair in a professional salon without getting in your way. Now, let's talk about performance, because a stationary vacuum is only as good as its motor. The EyeVac Pro packs a massive 1400-watt motor. To put that into perspective, that is the same amount of raw suction power you find in many high-end, full-sized upright vacuum cleaners. When this thing turns on, it doesn't just gently pull the dirt in, it aggressively clears the area. It instantly removes fine dust, stubborn pet hair, heavy food crumbs, mud chunks, and even larger debris up to the size of a quarter. But the real magic lies in how it operates. The EyeVac Pro features built-in infrared sensors located near the base of the unit. When you set the machine to automatic mode, these sensors are constantly scanning the area directly in front of the vacuum's intake port. The moment your broom breaks the infrared beam, the machine detects the sweeping motion and instantly activates the 1400-watt vacuum motor. It stays on just long enough to gulp down all the debris you swept toward it, and then it automatically shuts off. It is completely touchless. You never have to bend down, you never have to press a button with your foot, and you never have to touch a dirty surface. While anyone can appreciate the convenience of a touchless dustpan, there are 3 specific groups of people who will find the EyeVac Pro to be an absolute lifesaver. First up are professional salon owners and pet groomers. In fact, the EyeVac was originally designed for commercial salon environments. If you're a hairstylist or a dog groomer, you know that sweeping up hair is a constant, exhausting battle that happens multiple times a day. Dragging out a heavy vacuum or bending over a dustpan every 30 minutes wears out your back and takes up precious time. With the EyeVac Pro, you can quickly clear a workstation in 5 seconds flat. The second group is pet owners. If you have cats or dogs that shed constantly, trail kitty litter across the floor, or drop dry kibble around their food bowls, this machine is a game changer. It handles massive clumps of pet fur effortlessly without clogging. Finally, this is an incredible accessibility tool for seniors or individuals with chronic back pain, arthritis, or mobility issues. Traditional sweeping requires a lot of bending, kneeling, and twisting to get the floor truly clean. The EyeVac Pro completely eliminates the need to bend over. You maintain a perfectly upright, comfortable posture from the moment you pick up your broom to the moment the floor is spotless. When it comes to maintenance, EyeVac kept things incredibly simple and user-friendly. This is a completely bagless canister system. When the storage vault is full, you simply pull the front canister straight out of the unit, remove the lid, and empty the contents directly into your trash can. It takes less than 10 seconds. Furthermore, The EyeVac Pro is equipped with 3 high-efficiency filters, including a pre-motor filter. This filtration system ensures that all the fine dust, pet dander, and allergens sucked off your floor are trapped securely inside the container. The air that is amplified and exhausted back out into your room is thoroughly cleaned, which is a massive benefit for anyone dealing with seasonal allergies or asthma. To wrap things up, the EyeVac Pro Touchless Vacuum is an exceptional, heavy-duty solution to an age-old problem. It is fast, incredibly powerful, visually discreet, and remarkably convenient. While it doesn't replace a traditional vacuum for carpets or deep whole house cleaning, it completely revolutionizes how you maintain your hard floors on a daily basis. Whether you are trying to keep a busy hair salon looking pristine, managing an avalanche of pet hair at home, or looking for a thoughtful, practical gift to make life easier for a senior family member, the EyeVac Pro is worth every single penny. It turns a tedious, back-breaking chore into something that is fast, automated, and oddly satisfying.